How to forward a message from Messenger to WhatsApp. Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, head over to your Messenger and the chat. After you're there, just select the message that you want to forward. Now you will find out that after you tap on long press on the message, you will see the reply option. Tap on more and there will be the forward option. If you tap on forward, there will only be option to send it to friends in your Messenger app only. Now, so that's not going to work for the WhatsApp. So what you'll need to do here is simply long press on the button here, I mean the message, and simply tap on copy. After you do that, head over to your WhatsApp. After you're on WhatsApp, you can simply go to the text area, long press on it, and paste the message and send it. That is the way you can forward a message from WhatsApp to Messenger or Messenger to WhatsApp. Now, this also works for videos or photos. So yeah, you can simply save it on your device or copy it and then head over to WhatsApp and then paste it. And it's that simple, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.